if this looks like a catastrophe, I've got news for you. I was able to repair this one and another tin because I dropped my entire palette on the floor. Yeah, this morning after I just put it together last night. So what you saw me do there is I'm spraying it with alcohol. But before I do that, the important step is to make sure all of the crumbs are finely chopped up. Don't leave any big chunks. You want to completely make it a powder. Spritz it with plenty of alcohol, then put one of the little alcohol pads on it and press it all down into the container. You're going to let this dry for the rest of the day. Here's the second one. I'm doing the same thing too. And I want you to know that even if there are large pieces in the powder, you want to crush those up too, because if you don't, it's going to keep breaking off and it's going to spill, and you can ask me how I know this. So this is what they look like. They'll dry all afternoon. They'll be good as gold. They'll go back into my palette and they'll work perfectly. This is the best way to repair eyeshadow. Anyone can do it. And to be honest, I probably would not go on vacation without taking some of those little alcohol pads along with me. Now, I do want you to know that even though you are pressing in there, there's not enough alcohol on there to really get it to stay put. You need another container, and I just have this that I keep around actually for other things, but of course now I'm using it to repair my eyeshadows. So I hope that helps. If you've enjoyed this video and you'd like other tips and tricks, please follow me. I'm on daily giving you tutorials on Saint makeup and different looks, eyeshadows, different face looks, the use of different brushes, and I'd love to be your artist. So if you're looking for a new one, I'd really love to be there for you. Thanks so much for stopping. Have a wonderful day, and don't stress if you drop your palette. It can easily be fixed.